Hi planties, welcome back to my channel, Houseplant Pixie. My name is Monique and today I'm gonna make up a nice well-draining potting mix with you guys. So all you need is a big tub, perlite, horticultural charcoal, orchid mix. So I got a 25 litre Bailey's potting mix, so half of the bag or a quarter is already in the tub. You don't have to, but I recommend wear a little mask. I'm sure everyone has one laying around these days. And just gonna use half of the bag for now and mix that in. Gonna mix it inside because at the moment it's like 35 degrees outside, it's pretty hot. And it's gonna all stick to me. So it's a bit hard to see, but you want to use that a bit later. I got the ratio in the description box, but you don't have to like get it smack on. Yeah. You want it like with the perlite, you don't want too much, but not, yeah. It's like a nice, show you the mixture in a minute. Add some more. Gonna be using the whole bag of perlite. I'm gonna add the orchid mix. I'm not getting sponsored by anyone, so it's just what I bought in a local store. And that's how you want your mixture to look. So I'm probably gonna add the whole bag of perlite, a bit more of the charcoal, I don't think I'm going to use the whole bag of charcoal, and then work it through it again. Through the whole tub. I hope you can understand me all right with the mask on. And that's what you want your potting mix to be looking like. So I'm adding some more. May as well add it all. And mix it in. I sort of layer it because then it's easier to mix through. And this is like, I hope you can say that, this is like perfect mixture. Gonna add a little bit more. I find it pretty handy to always, have a tub in the shed if you want to repot. So then it's already made up. Mix that through again. And once you use premium potting mix and it's well draining, it's going to save you lots of hassle, because if your plant has a good soil mixture, you will have less pests and diseases and you won't have to fertilize as much. My plants are rarely fertilized. In spring, at the start of spring, I might give it a liquid fertilizer. I do have some slow release fertilizer I want to test out. But yeah, I haven't done that yet. So that's the potting mixture. So you want your perlite, just nice through it. Might add a little bit more of the horticultural charcoal. Horticultural charcoal is very good for balance bacteria and things like that. Hey Frank. Don't know if you can see the dog. She's come in. Pretty hot out there today. But yeah, that's what the potting mix should look like. I hope you found this video helpful. Comment below what your preferred method of mixing it is, or where you store it. I'd love to know. And I'm just gonna blend in a few plant Instagrams. Check them out. And yeah, I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time. Stay planty. Bye.